Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. In this video, we'll discuss about how to convert a number into the addition of two numbers. Okay, so there are some question activity given in a book, so we'll do those activity in this video. So here you can see there are 10 digits has been given. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 0. We have to form 10 into a combination of any two digit addition, which when you add those two digit we will form 10. Okay, how हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? First let's take any one of the digit, that is 1. So what we have to find out here, what number we need to add with 1 to get the answer 10. If you add 2, is it 10? No, it's 1 plus 2 will be 3. If you add 4, is it 10? No, 1 plus 4 will be 5. So how do we find the answer? We can subtract 1 from 10 to get the next number also. So when you subtract 1 from 10, we will get the number that is 9. When you add 1 with 9, that is 1 plus 9, it will be 10. So we have already found a one combination of digits, that is 1 plus 9 will be 10. Now let's find out another combination. So let's take another number that is 2. So what the number we need to add is to the 10. When you subtract 2 from 10, you will get the number that is 8. When you add 2 plus 8, then the answer will be 10. So 2 plus 8 will be 10. Now let's find out another one. Here another number has been given in the screen, that is 3. We will take 3. So from which we can find the next number which we need to add with 3, that is we can subtract 3 from 10, we will get the next number, that is 3 plus 7, that is 10. Like this we can find out a extra number also. Here 4, 5 and 6 are there also. We will take 4 in one box, and when you subtract 4 from 10, then we will get the another number which we need. This is your task to find out the rest combination through which by which when we add those two numbers we will get the answer 10. So let's do some question answer given in a book. Here first one has been done already. Here we have to form 59. Some question has been given, 50 plus 9, then 30 plus 29, 19 plus 40. These are the combination already given. We have to do the question second column, that is asking to make a combination for 78. Remember this thing, whenever you are making combination for any number, just take any number, any smaller number from 78. There are many numbers to 0 to 77. You can take any number from those 0 to 77. We will take one number, that is 70. It is easier for us to subtract 70 from 78. So I have taken 70. When you subtract 70 from 78, you will get the answer 8. That will be the next number. So 70 plus 8 is one of the combination through which we can form the number 78. Let's take another number that is smaller for 70. That is 60. When you subtract 60 from 78, you will get the answer, that is 18. That will be the next number. So like this, in third row there is one number has been given, that is 30. When you subtract 30 from 78, you will get the next number. Subtract it. When you subtract 30 from 78, you will get the number, that is 48. Okay, like this we can easily find out another combination also. Here in the second column, the question is asking to form the number 83. We know we can take any number smaller than 83. From 0 to 82 we can take any number. So for my reference, for easier calculation, I will take 80. When you subtract 80 from 83, your answer will be 3. So 80 plus 3, this is one of the combination. Then in next row, one number has been given, that is 43. So when you subtract 43 from 83, you will easily find the answer, that is 40. Okay, like this way you can go and find the next combination also. Let's do one more from 99, 499 also. So what should be our first step? Our first step should be to find out we have to take any smaller number from that number. Okay, so I'll take 40, that is smaller from 99, and I can subtract 40 from 99 to get the next number, that is 59. Now one number has been given here in the question, that is 39. When you subtract 39 from 99, it will be 60. So this one I have not done. You have to do it by yourself. Here you can see in the screen, to make 102 already one number has been given, that is 50. So when you subtract 50 from 102, the answer will be 52. Like this, whatever question might be, you can just take a smaller number of that number given and subtract it from that number, you will get the another number. So like this we can make many combination for this question. Okay, so here in the last column 168 has been given and one number has been given, that is 68. So when you subtract 68 from 168, the answer will be 100. So this is in combination 100 plus 68. Like this way you can easily find out the answer. Now let's do a puzzle type question. Here the question is asking, write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the circle so that the sum of the numbers on each side of figure is 12. Here in the shape you can see 3 sides are there. This is shape of triangle. 3 sides are there. When you add all the circle of each side, it should be 12. You have to arrange these 6 digits in these boxes. But remember this thing, you cannot put any digit or number in 2 boxes. Okay, one number will be used only one time. So what we have to do in this type of question, remember this thing, this is a trick for you. Whenever you are doing this kind of question, this type of question may come in the maths Olympiad. So you have to find out the largest number among these the number given. So there are 6 numbers has been given. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is the largest number? Largest was the 6th one. Then you have to put 6 in any one of the corner. Okay. Then in the next step, what we have to do? We have to find out the second largest number. That is 5. You will put the second largest number in any one of the corner of this shape. Then you have to find out the third largest number, that is 4. Then you will put the 4 in the rest corner side here in the triangle. So you can see in the screen, I have taken the largest number 6, 5 and 4 in various corner portion of this shape, 6, 5 and 4. Now you can do the calculation to find out the remaining places. So here we have already 2 numbers are there in the shape 6 and 4, but we have to reach to 12 because when you add these 3 circles, it should be 12. So 6 plus 4 we can easily find out. 6 plus 4 is 10. So when you subtract 10 from 12, we will get the value of the another number of this circle. When you subtract 10 from 12, it will be 2. Now come to another side. Here in this side we had the number 6 and another number is 5. So when you add 6 plus 5, it will be 11. So when you subtract 11 from 12, we will get the number of this circle. That is, when you subtract 11 from 12, your answer will be 1. So here the answer will be 1. And in another box, one number has been left, that is 3. So 3 will be here. So like this way you can do another question also I have given here in the screen. You can see question is same. So write the numbers are different. Write the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the circle so that the sum of the numbers on each side of the figure is 15. So we had already discussed what we have to do first in our first step. In our first step, we have to find out the largest number among them. Among these 6 numbers, largest number is the 7. So put that number in any one of the corner. So 7, I have put the 7 in this corner. Now we have to find out which one is the second largest number. Second largest number is 6. So we will put 6 in another corner, and third largest number is 5. And I will put 5 in another corner. After this step, what we have to do? We have to find out here we have 7, here we have 6. We have to add these numbers. When you add 7 plus 6, it will be 13. So what do you need to find the rest value of this circle? When you subtract 13 from 15, you will get the value of this circle. Okay, when you subtract 13 from 15, the answer will be 2. So 2 will be in this box. Now come to the next, this side. This side we have 2 values are there, that is 6 and 5. When you add 6 plus 5, it will be 11. To get the value of this circle, what we have to do, we have to subtract 11 from 15. So here answer will be 4. Okay, so like this way only one number has been left, that is 3. We can put that number in another box. So like this way you can arrange these 6 numbers in this set. Okay, now let's do another activity. In this activity what we have to do, 3 numbers has been given, that is 50, 70 and 20. We have to arrange them in these boxes, and here to another sign are given. Here the sign is addition and here the sign is for subtraction. Remember this thing, whenever you are doing any this kind of question for the symbol addition, you have to put the largest number in the last position. You have to put the largest number in the last position. Here we among 50, 70 and 20 we can easily identify 70 is the largest number, so we'll put 70 in the last position. Then you can arrange both of the number in this box systematic way. In first line you can arrange them 50 plus 20, in second line you can arrange them 20 plus 50, like this also. But when you will get the sign of subtraction, you cannot put the largest number in the last. You have to put the largest number in the first position. Here the largest number is also 70, so I'll put 70 in first position. Then you can arrange the rest of the number, that is 50 and 20, in any either here or here. If you put 50 here, then when you if you put 20 here, when you subtract 20 from 70 you will get the answer 50. Then if you put 50 here, when you subtract 50 from 70 you will get the answer 20. Like this way you can do the rest of the questions also. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.